In today's video, I'll teach you how to get refund on Hopper. First of all, launch open Hopper application. You can see over here Hopper application has been opened. What you have to do is tap on the trips option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the trips interface. Over here, you'll be able to see the upcoming trips. Simply tap on the option view all. Now you'll be able to see all of your bookings over here. You can simply cancel your booking depending whether or not your booking is managed directly with Hopper or one of the travel partners. You may be directed to the website of the airline, hotel or car rental company. You can simply complete your cancellation and the refund process will be initiated. If the booking is managed directly by the Hopper, your refund will be completed within 24 hours. Otherwise, it may take about 3 to 4 business days. Remember, refund eligibility varies depending on the types of booking. Your confirmation email will list your cancellation policy at the bottom of the receipt. Remember, refunds are always at the discretion of the airline, hotel or car rental company, and Hopper can only process a refund if authorized. So you'll have to contact the airline, hotel or car rental company in order to get the refund. So like this, you'll be able to get refund by simply initiating the cancellation. So that is how you get refund on Hopper. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.